What's going on, guys? It's Andrew with Agency Turnkey. Just wanted to shoot this short video for you guys and show you some of the results we've been able to generate for an agency owner that's in the home security space. As you can take a look on the screen, we've started this campaign back on the 5th. And what is today? Today's the 10th. So in just about a week, 5 days, we've been able to generate about 36 leads for an average CPL of about $7.64. And we only spent about $274 right now. And the beautiful part about this whole campaign is that the guarantee for the agency owner is 30 leads in 30 days. And you can see that just in that amount of time, we've already blown through that. So 36 leads in about a week is pretty awesome results. And you can tell that we run quite a few ads, and there's a reason for that. Simply because not every ad will work in every territory. So this client is out of Florida, and we test everything. We test different creatives. We test different videos, different ad copies and offers. We test different tools, so like dynamic or carousel or all the tools that Facebook allows you to have. We definitely use and implement just because there's not one solid ad or offer that can be used universal out there that will get you results in every state or every country. It just doesn't work like that. So that's why you have to test, and that's why even our agency tests all the time with every single client that we get. Like I said, we test the offer, test the copy, test the images and the videos, and then use the several different tools that Facebook gives you, because they give you that for a reason, right? It obviously works for some industries, and then it obviously doesn't work for other industries. So you can see that some campaigns here didn't do anything, and then some campaigns did a little bit of something, but wasn't the results that we were looking for. And then we finally were able to catch fire here with those four campaigns, and we're about to load up some new ones for this client and see what those do as well. So the name of the game is testing. There's no magic bullet. There's no secret sauce. It's just really testing your market and being aware of what works and kind of just making sure that fire stays lit. So yeah, just wanted to shoot this video for you guys and show you these results for this specific industry. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm very accessible. If you guys want us to do this for any one of your clients, feel free to reach out and we can put something on the books so that way we can set up a call and talk a little bit more about our agency program and if it's right for you, and if you're a good fit for us as well. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'm always happy to help. Hope you guys stay safe, and we'll talk soon.